What responsibilities does a conservator have in adult guardianship? Imagine someone you love needing help managing their money and property but being unable to do so themselves. That's where a conservator steps in to make sure everything stays in order. When a court appoints a conservator, they assign this person the job of handling the adult's financial affairs and property. The main goal is to protect the adult's assets and make sure their money is used wisely. This means paying bills on time, managing investments, collecting income from sources like Social Security, and safeguarding property from loss or theft. The conservator must keep detailed records of every financial transaction, like receipts and bank statements, and regularly report these to the court. This keeps everything transparent and ensures the conservator is acting responsibly. Sometimes, a conservator might also be asked to make decisions about the adult's personal well-being, like healthcare or living arrangements. But usually, a separate guardian handles those personal and medical choices. To protect the adult's assets, the conservator often has to get a conservatorship bond, which is like insurance that covers any mismanagement or theft. The court gives specific instructions on what the conservator can and cannot do, and they must follow these rules closely. Their authority is limited to what the court orders, and they are supervised through reports and court hearings. This oversight helps prevent abuse of power and keeps the adult's best interests at heart. A conservator can be a family member or a trusted individual, but they have a legal duty to act honestly and responsibly. They must avoid conflicts of interest, meaning they should not use the adult's assets for their own benefit. When making big financial decisions, they often need court approval first. The role can be full or limited, depending on what the adult needs. If the adult only needs help with certain assets, the conservator's role can be limited to those areas, allowing for as much independence as possible. Overall, a conservator's responsibilities include managing and protecting the adult's money and property, paying bills, keeping accurate records, and acting in the adult's best interest. They must follow court orders and work with the court to ensure everything is handled properly. Their work helps keep the adult financially secure and safe from exploitation, all while respecting their dignity and independence where possible.